Hello guys, I am finishing getting ready for church, but I wanted to come on here specifically before I did my makeup because, should I talk about this? It's still press season, but mine is starting to get old. But I'm coming on specifically before I do my makeup because I turned 40 and my skin has been out of whack since I turned 40. Like, I'm used to this because that's all hormonal and everything. And for the most part, I'm pretty good at controlling that. But now I'm getting all of this and this. And this is new. This is not like I've changed anything or whatnot. It's literally, I turned 40 and now I have this. So my normal skincare routine consists of this. I really like it. It's the CeraVe with salicylic acid. And then you guys know I love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And my absolute favorite, Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. And then for toners, or whatnot, I use this, not daily, maybe twice, 3 times a week. But then I also have this that I use on a regular basis, which is the Snail Rescue. And I use this daily. It's pretty moisturizing. But again, I have some other things I throw in there. This stuff is like the Truth Estee Lauder Night Repair. But recently it's just been weird, okay? That's the only way I can describe it. And I went to Sephora yesterday, so I ended up specifically looking for like exfoliators or something that can help with this overall process. So I ended up getting this Dermalogica Liquid Pill Foliant. Did I show you guys this? Because again, a few weeks ago, I was looking for something else and I like this. I like the original version. So I tried this one because this one is like an anti-pollutant, super daily foliant. Somewhere in here, it says that it's like prevents against like pollution and everything too. But I do like this. And I think it's more moisturizing than the original formula. But I ended up getting this from Sephora yesterday. It's the Dermalogica Liquid Pill Foliant. I used it last night for the first time. It says start off using every other day. I did get like a nice light tingle and everything, and my skin had a little bit of a glow to it, but here we are today. And something else I got, I'm not gonna use these at the same time though, but I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pill. And this comes in like 3 different levels. It was sensitive, something else, and then this one. This is the most extreme. And I got this one specifically because help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, but improves the appearance of uneven tone and texture. And that's what I was looking for. The most sensitive one did not have that on the box, but I am gonna probably try this next week. So I wanna use this for a week and see how my skin responds to it before I introduce this. And I got the smaller pack. I think this was maybe $20, but it has 5 treatments. And I got it because again, I didn't know how it was gonna work and I didn't want to spend $100 on 30 or whatnot. Do I have the directions on here? How to use. Follow packet instructions. So I'll come back when I get ready to use this. This is what I'm using. Did anyone turn 40 and their skin just get out of whack all of a sudden? I'm gonna finish getting ready for church. Hope you guys have a great day and I will be back. Hello, so I have already washed my face using the Cetaphil cleanser and now I'm just going to finish the rest of my skincare routine. And tonight I'm actually going to be using this, and it's the Dr. Dennis Gross that I've told you about, Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pill. And I've used this twice now, so this is going to be my 3rd time using it. I like it. And as we're going through, I would just like for you to see like my skin. I think it's getting a little bit lighter over here. Nothing to write home about, but I think in combination with these as well as the Dermalogica pill that I told you I got, I think it's getting a little bit better. Breakouts are not as frequent. I do get this new guy over here, but basically what you do is you go in with step 1 and then you allow it to dry, and then you go in with step 2. And then for step 1, for optimal results, use daily AM or PM. I need my readers, y'all. First time pill user may apply every other day until skin becomes acclimated. Massage step 1 on the clean, dry skin until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes and then repeat with step 2. Do not rinse. So I'm going to use step 1 until this is dry. This is the size of the pad. So I'm just gonna rub. And the only area I actively try to avoid is my eyebrows, because it's time for a microblade touch up and I have to find a new microblade artist. I just go over and over until the pad is dry. And then we'll wait 2 minutes. And I focus a lot, if you haven't noticed, on my chin area. It's just so crazy, like these breakouts that happen all of a sudden. Okay, so we're about dry. And then we wait 2 minutes. Okay. So while we wait for that, I'm going to follow up with my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. For moisturizer, I'm going to use my Neutrogena Hydra Boost because I love this stuff. So let's wait. And I'm wearing this shirt because it's comfortable. Feel free to judge me. And this is what step 2 looks like. Again, another towelette. I need one of those little fans. I haven't gotten one because I haven't seen one in TJ Maxx, if I'm being honest. I was actually thinking about getting a micro needler. I probably need to go back to Sephora because I saw that there's like these masks that have micro needles in them. And I haven't looked that hard. I just saw on this one dermatologist YouTube page. She's a black dermatologist and she recommends some pretty good things. But you can always tell. That's probably really distracting, I'm sorry. But you can always tell like when it's dry, when you stop feeling the cooling, just like blow drying your hair almost. Okay, so my face is dry. I'm going in with my Advanced Night Repair. A friend of mine actually put me on this while we were deployed. I love this stuff. And I don't know why I always buy the little bottles. Probably because I'm cheap. But I'm pretty sure buying the little bottles costs more than actually just buying the big bottle, because I actually have another little bottle of this. I'm just gonna apply it all over. Get some on the neck. And then I give this a moment to dry. And now, I'm gonna close out with my Neutrogena Hydra Boost, the best. Gosh, I love this stuff. And sometimes I do Vaseline at night for slugging, but I'm not going to tonight. So there you have it. My nighttime routine minus the actual washing of the face. And if you guys have any recommendations or anything for dark spots, please let me know. I do go get microdermabrasion every so often or some type of peeling facial. But yeah, here we have it. Little boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe. Yeah, but then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be